308 M4 RIS. So para kay Sir Arthur. So ito ano lang to, puti-puti lang. Okay, so full metal unit, metal yung front assembly, metal yung receiver with complete markings. So two-tone siya guys, yung yung handguard, grip at saka yung stock is color tan. So metal din yung triangle sights. And then yung mga small parts like bolt release, selector, trigger guard, charging handle is metal. So out of the box, ang kasama niya is battery. May carry handle na rin pala siya. Ito. And then magazine na 300 rounds. Okay, so test natin. So, 450. Okay, nasa 450 FPS OOTV. So for more details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Airsoft.